Hello, my name is Chef Ski, James Woroneski, and this is Cooking with Ski. Now that we have the Espagnole sauce made, this episode now is going to be episode 2, the two-part series. That's going to be now taking that Espagnole sauce, that mother sauce, and we're now going to be making the Demi Glace out of it. So this is going to be the second part of that episode, and the Demi Glace is probably the most flavorful sauce that's in the culinary world today. It's called liquid gold. So let's go ahead and get started to make that Demi Glace. Hope you enjoy.
As we saw from episode 1, that we have the Espagnole sauce in which we have the scum that's risen to the surface. And as we had talked about is going through ladling very carefully, going ahead and cleaning up the scum to make a very clean, fresh, sultry taste to your soup to continue working with. Let's start making our roux for the demi glace. It's going to be equal parts butter, which I have melted down, and I'm going to be adding in equal parts flour. Once I have the flour mixed in, we'll go ahead and continue to cook this roux down until we get a brown roux. Slowly add your flour in using your whisk. Continue to go ahead and stir to make sure that you remove all the lumps out of your flour to have a very smooth roux. Continuing to add your flour, what you're looking for in a roux is to have a consistency of a wet sand. We now have gotten our roux to the consistency of a wet sand. Now what we're going to be doing is going to be cooking it down to make it a dark roux. The darker the roux, the more flavor, more the nuttier, and it's going to provide to our sauce as well as flavor and color. We have made our roux. I've taken 2 quarts of fresh beef stock. I'm adding in celery, peppercorns, bay leaves. We're going to go ahead and doing the same thing. We're going to start reducing it and removing the scum off the surface as we did in episode 1 with the Espagnole sauce. Now we've removed the scum off the surface of this beef stock. Now you can see a clean beef stock. We're going to continue cooking this down. I've removed out the vegetables and strained. Now I'm adding in the Espagnole sauce that we made and reduced from episode 1. As now we've now allowed the Demi Glace to begin to reduce, you see it starting to thicken up slightly. You see a very clean, flavorful Demi Glace. You can start seeing why it is known as liquid gold and one of the most flavorful sauces today. Have strained the Demi Glace one more time. As you can see, this is a very clean, sultry, smooth, flavorful sauce. The whole sauce from start to beginning took about 8 hours to make.